Hello everyone, this video is a step-by-step guide for setting up your Mapsly account with Freshworks CRM. Once you open the sign up page, simply follow the step-by-step wizard to create your new Mapsly account. Select your country, language, plan, and type your email and password. Then click Proceed. Optionally, select the features that you would be interested to use in Mapsly and click Proceed. The next step will be to connect Freshsales as your data source. Go to the setup page, click the plus button, and select the Freshworks CRM. You will be prompted to enter the CRM URL and the API key. You can copy the CRM URL from your browser address bar. To generate the API key, you need to go to the admin settings, then go to account settings, select apps and integrations, then copy and paste the API key into Mapsly. Let's save the default objects and proceed. Your Freshsales data will soon show up on the map, and you will be able to interact with it. If you would like to embed Mapsly within the Freshsales, you can use the Embed Widgets plugin, which is free. You can just use a simple iframe code to embed Mapsly. Alright, well that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.